Okay, so a brand that I don't often use, and this is McKillop Expose Lycra Tights and a men's Lycra thong expose as well. Um, this package was interesting. The quality of these garments is pretty good, but the smell of how they were shipped, there's something they sprayed on it that is so strong. I had to actually place these things outside for a while and wash them completely. I think it might have just some kind of chemical on them, but now that that's all cleared up, these are great. They're very comfortable. I like the look on the back of them. The color is great. Um, the quality seems to be pretty good as far as the stitching, how it holds up. And then these are mediums. They're pretty long. I was concerned they were not going to fit, but they fit just fine. It's by basically my normal size. You can see they're mesh. There's no lining in them. You need to wear something beneath them. They have the drawstring cord, which is great. You need that on this type of pants, otherwise they slide down and it's goofy. They fall off. You can't exercise in them, so you need a drawstring at least in these things. Try not to lose it, definitely. All right, so here I am testing them out. Going to do some lunges. Probably gone a little too fast there, but decent 20-pound dumbbells. Pants look pretty good. I actually prefer pants when I work out. You don't get scraped up from the weights. Back looks good. So you can kind of see through there a little bit, but they're comfortable. Do some more lunges. You think anyone would notice in the gym? It's a Amazon shirt, long sleeve, that's pretty soft. I'm very impressed with. Adidas shoes. Typically follow the Body Beast program, and this was probably a bulk legs or build legs day. I forget. But I really like this because of the cardio gain as well when doing the big muscle groups. As long as you do it with minimal breaks between exercises, you'll keep the intensity high. Legs can definitely get shaky here. Okay. So another view, front to back lunges. This might not have been on the same day. Front to back, McKillop tights. You do one leg and you switch legs. Do the same thing, 15, 10, 12, 15, 12, 8 times. Okay. So those are the tights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I do like these. I would buy more of them. Thanks again.